Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Aftermath. Aftermath means consequences or after effects of significant unpleasant event. For example, food prices soared in the aftermath of the drought. Food prices soared in the aftermath of the drought. Synonyms: repercussions, after effects, byproduct.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. She was devastated and traumatized in the aftermath of the landslide. Now, repeat after me. She was devastated and traumatized in the aftermath of the landslide. The second exemplar. Historically, change has happened only in the aftermath of a major crisis. Now, repeat after me. Historically, change has happened only in the aftermath of a major crisis. The third exemplar. He said that mobile communications crashed in the aftermath of the explosions. Now, repeat after me. He said that mobile communications crashed in the aftermath of the explosions.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
India has a higher English-speaking population than United Kingdom. Worldwide, India comes second only to the USA in its English-speaking population. The empire strikes back, and how?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.